Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out AERODROME's price chart, and you notice that I'm laughing a little bit because we are still stuck in this beautiful ascending channel right here. But in my view, probably soon, let's say in the next 24, 48, even maximum like 72 hours, it is going to be decision time for AERO. Why? Let's just measure this move up timing wise. I'm not really sure if I've seen anything like this before. This is, yep, so far taking us about 19-20 days of just absolute consolidation and chopping around. And as you can see, between our pullbacks, we are just constantly having overlapping of the waves. And these are, let's say, 8 to 10 lows quite close together. So here is what I'm thinking. In my primary scenario in AERODROME, I'm going to argue soon, maybe like after having another short-term bounce back, we're going to get a move down in order to get a break of this channel. And at that point, we may visit the lows down here once more, about, let's say, $1.10. But then we want to see a very strong bounce back, because overall, do not get it twisted. I think this is a bit of a bullish pattern, and let's just go on H1 time frame. There we go. You see, in my view, we are probably having 1, 2, 5 up into wave 3, and from this high, maybe this whole move down is a correction for 4. And what's next? You know the answer. Another great move up into wave 5, which at that point, this orange 5 wave up is going to be into wave 3 and 4 and 5, so on and so forth. So as you can see, overall, I'm very much optimistic in AERODROME, but in the short term, I mean, let's be honest, these lows look absolutely juicy, and I'm willing to bet that around them, a lot of short-term traders have opened some long positions in hope that they get the next phase of the bull run. But the price, unfortunately, in most cases, is not really going to cooperate with them. So I'm going to say, initially, you are going to see most likely a move down in order to gather all the liquidity around the lows and hit those people's stop losses, and then the price might do what they were thinking initially, meaning we're going to get a bounce back and start a beautiful uptrend. Now, on the other hand, in case that I am wrong and we are not going to get a move down, then okay, you need to, number one, not see AERODROME getting a break of this beautiful ascending channel right in here. Number two, you need to see from here a bounce back in form of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order to get a break out of this channel. And by that, I mean, we go above the higher band of it, do a pullback, and then get a continuation of the move up. If I see something like this, at that point, trust me, exciting times are going to be ahead of us, because whenever you are having these types of overlapping of the waves, and ultimately you're going to get a very strong breakout, that means you in here had, in terms of Elliott waves, a series of 1-2s, and the breakout phase is going to be the start of a series of wave 3s, meaning what? Our move up is going to accelerate in AERODROME at that point quite a bit. So for now, again, conclusion is the same. All eyes on this ascending channel and see, are we going to get a breakdown, or maybe we are going to get a breakout. Odds are, according to my primary case at least, we are going to get probably a temporary breakdown and then a very strong pass. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in AERODROME's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.